Good morning students, how are you? I hope that everyone is fit and fine and you are doing your work also regularly. In the next lecture, or you can say in the next previous period, we have done the divisibility test. Now we are going to increase our divisibility test. After that one, which one we have done, after that one how many are left, we are going to do them. You will understand them very carefully because they will help you in your exercise to solve the sums. Next sum, divisibility test. Divisibility test. Up to 5 numbers we have done. Today we are going to start our next divisibility test, that is for number 6. Test of 6. For test of 6, what you have to do? You have to check if any number is coming in 2 table also and that is coming in 3 table also, then that number will be divisible by 6. This is the condition for divisibility test of 6. The number should be divisible by 2 and 3. If any number is divisible by 2 also and that is divisible by 3 also, then and only then that will be divisible by 6. If any number is whether divisible by 2 or divisible by 3, then that number will not be divisible by 6. Now I am giving you an example. $472. I have taken this number 472. For this 472, what we will check? We will check if 472 is divisible by 2 or this 472 is divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 2 also and if it is divisible by 3, then this number will be divisible by 6. Otherwise, it will not be divisible. For 2. For 2, what you have to check? Ones place digit. Ones place digit. Ones place digit. What is your ones place digit? 2. This 2 is divisible by 2. Yes, of course. 2 divided by 2 completely 1. No remainder is left. Then for 3. For 3. For 3, what you have to do? For 3, you have to do the sum of all the digits. Sum of all digits. Four plus 7 plus 2. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13. Then is this 13 is coming in 3 table? No, it is not coming. So it is not divisible by 3. 13 by 3, no. 13 is not divisible by 3. Then this is no. Then what you can see? This 472 is divisible by 2. But it is not divisible by 3. It means it is not divisible by 6. 472 is not divisible by 472 is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 3. Now I will tell you the divisibility test of 7. Test of 7. For 7, what you have to do? You will see the ones place digit, and that ones place digit you will multiply by 2. Then you will get one product. That product you will subtract from the number formed by the rest digits. Now you will see example I am giving you. $343. What I have told? First ones place digit. This is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, and number formed by rest digit is 34. Then difference. (34 minus 6) 28. 28 is coming in 7 table 4 times. So it is divisible by 7. So 343 is divisible by 7. Now I hope you understand the divisibility test of 6 and 7. What you have to do for 7? Ones place digit. This is the ones place digit. This ones place digit you will multiply by 2. Then you will get one product. That product you will subtract from the number formed by the rest digits. The number may be of 3 digits. The number may be of 4 digits. It doesn't matter. Now the next question, divisibility test, we are going for 8. For 8, what you have to do? The number formed by last 3 digits. Test of 8. The number formed by last 3 digits. Last 3 digits. The number formed by last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. If that is divisible by 8, then the number will be divisible by 8. Here I can give you the one example. 4 1 2 3. 4 1 2 3. Now what you will see? The number formed by last 3 digits. Then what is the number which is formed by last 3 digits? 123. Number formed by last 3 digits. That is 123. Now you will check whether this 123 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8, 4. 8 fives are 40. What you can see here? Remainder is left. This is remainder. This is remainder. it means what you can say, if remainder is left, it means this number is not divisible by 8. So 4123 is not divisible by 8. Now I hope you understand. Now next divisibility test is for 9. For 9. For 9 what you have to do? See it. I am going to tell you. Test of 9. Test of 9. For 9, the divisibility test which we have done in divisibility test 3, that is same to same. For 9 what you have to do? Sum of digits. Sum of digits. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Only I can tell you one simple example. You can say, suppose this is 36. Then sum of digits, (3 + 6 = 9. This is divisible by 9. Then this is yes. Like it, you can use this one for bigger number also. It is same to same. There will be no change in this one. Now we are going to do for 10. Test of 10. Test of 10. For 10 what you have to check? You have to check the digit at a ones and a tens place. The digit at ones place should be 0 or only 0. The digit at ones place should be 0. If ones place digit is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. As you can see the multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then what you get at ones place? Everywhere we are getting 0 at a ones place. That's why for test 10, ones place digit must be 0. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.